When water migration is a problem, W.R. Meadows has a system solution: Mel-Rol and Mel-Drain. Mel-Rol is a cost-effective, self-adhering system used to properly waterproof foundations, vertical walls, and horizontally in below-grade floors in both residential and commercial construction. It's equally effective for use as a between-the-slab waterproofing on plaza decks, parking decks, structural slabs, and in highway and railway bridge deck construction. Mel-Rol can be used to isolate mechanical and electronic rooms, laboratories, kitchens, and bathrooms. It also provides waterproof protection when wrapped around major rapid transit, vehicular, utility, and pedestrian tunnel projects. Seal-Tight's Mel-Rol waterproofing membrane system is designed to provide cost-effective waterproofing protection against damaging moisture migration caused by hydrostatic pressure. The 60 mil thick Mel-Rol is composed of a polymeric waterproofing membrane layer on a heavy-duty cross-laminated polyethylene carrier film. The two components are laminated under strict quality-controlled production procedures. This flexible roll-type membrane is quick and easy to apply. Just peel and stick. A special release paper protects the polymeric waterproofing membrane. A pull-off release strip protects the exposed membrane strips on the material edges. Exposed polymeric membrane strips on both sides of the Mel-Rol provide membrane-to-membrane adhesion in the overlap area for additional security. A handy overlap guideline is printed 2.5 inches in from the material edge on each side to assure proper overlap coverage and assist in maintaining a straight application. Store Mel-Rol membrane cartons on pallets and cover them if they're left outside. Keep materials away from sparks and flames, and store them where the temperature will not exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit for extended periods of time. Before applying Mel-Rol, be sure to read and follow all application information, precautions, and material safety data information. Avoid using products that contain tars, solvents, pitches, polysulfide polymers, or PVC materials that might come into contact with Mel-Rol. Make sure concrete is clean, dry, smooth, free of voids, and has cured for at least 72 hours. Proper surface preparation is essential, since contractors use older forms on the outside walls. Repair spalled areas, fill all voids, and remove all sharp protrusions. Before applying Mel-Rol, prime all surfaces to be covered in one working day with applicable Mel-Prime primer. If allowed to become tack-free, previously primed surfaces must be reprimed. Follow all instructions and precautions shown on primer containers. Masonry walls must be parge-coated with an asphaltic foundation coating, such as our Seal-Mastic damp proofings or a cementitious material like Meadow Patch T1 or T2 thin patch before applying Mel-Rol. Use Seal-Tight detail strips for impaction sheet coverage. First, fold strips lengthwise and cut them at the fold. The material is then ready to install as 4.5-inch strips on either side of the rebar. Any excess can be turned down the face of the footing. Next, fill the void around rebars in the keyway with Seal-Tight catalytic bonding asphalt. Install a Seal-Tight detail strip horizontally along the wall where it meets the footing, placing half the material up the wall and the other half onto the footing. Extend the material 4.5 inches beyond the outside corners. Slit the extended portion of the detail strip lengthwise. Place the horizontal flap out onto the footing and bend the vertical flap around the wall. Repeat this procedure in the opposite direction. Apply Mel-Rol in dry, fair weather when the air and surface temperature are above 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure the concrete is near the air and surface temperature. Do not apply Mel-Rol to frozen concrete. One of the advantages of Mel-Rol is that it can be cut to size. For vertical wall applications, apply Mel-Rol vertically in lengths approximately 8 feet long over the top of the horizontal detail strips at the footing. Overlap all the seams at least 2.5 inches. Tightly butt the edges of the membrane and apply seal-tight pointing mastic in corner applications. Apply seal-tight pointing mastic at least 1/8 of an inch thick and 1 inch wide to the top edges. Once positioned, immediately hand rub the Mel-Rol membrane firmly to the surface. Before Mel-Rol is applied to inside corners, place a vertical seal-tight detail strip on the inside corners, extending the material 4.5 inches beyond each side of the corner. Stop at the footing and finish the corner with seal-tight pointing mastic. For outside corners, bend the seal-tight detail strip vertically over the outside corner and extend it 4.5 inches beyond each side of the corner. Stop the material at the footing and finish the corner with seal-tight pointing mastic. If backfilling is postponed, an optional termination bar may be used to assure that the waterproofing membrane is securely held in position. Seal all edges with seal-tight pointing mastic. Before backfilling, conduct a thorough inspection and make all necessary repairs immediately. Tears and inadequate overlaps should be covered with Mel-Rol membrane. Slit fish mouths and patch. Seal the edges of all patches with seal-tight pointing mastic. Where applicable, horizontal applications can be flood tested for 24 hours. All leaks should be marked and repaired when the membrane dries. Seal-Tight Mel-Drain DB is the perfect complement to the Meadows family of moisture protection solutions. When used in conjunction with a total Meadows system, Mel-Drain DB is the ideal choice for enhanced waterproofing protection of basement walls, plaza decks, earth-sheltered homes, commercial buildings, retaining walls, underground parking, and site drainage. Seal-Tight Mel-Drain DB is a dimple-raised molded polystyrene sheet bonded to high-strength polypropylene fabric. This geocomposite allows the passage of moisture through the fabric while preventing fine soils from entering the drainage channel. Various drain designs are available depending on soil pressure and flow specifications. Mel-Drain DB product versions are offered in several thicknesses with a variety of flow capacities. An optional polyester backing film is available when used in conjunction with flexible waterproofing material. The family of Mel-Drain DB products provides excellent protection in vertical,